Congratulations to Argentina. Argentina 2-1 versus Switzerland. Switzerland really trash. That's why I say they get red card before the entire extra time. I don't say their strength don't go match Argentina own because na that time where Argentina go begin the press to try score as they don't already get red card. But congratulations to Argentina. Now them be the better team. We will really win the match.
Argentina were really disappointing yesterday. Very, very, very disappointing.
All the match where Argentina the first
No,
disappoint.
yesterday one was worse. Like they don't do too Messi dependence. Like if Messi say he no go play ball, they no go do anything. Okay, first half they started the ball. If they attack, Switzerland go attack. Based on say Switzerland give fast players.
Yeah.
Mbolo and that guy called Ndoye. So both of them they always run down the defense. So before around 9 minutes, Argentina first gave first corner. Messi cross him to the box. He go well, but I think the ball not out. Then he can't do the second crossing where they score from. After Messi assist that goal, I don't know whether na game plan of Switzerland be now waiting. They just plan. They put two people on Messi. They totally mark Messi out. Now so they mark Argentina out. So they go just they play pass around. They wait make Messi open. You no go try anything to do. They go just they play pass around. Next thing Switzerland go collect ball, attack. So that's what they do till second half. This thing just the second half around 7 some Switzerland don't already get over the game. Like because they don't fit play again. They don't mark out Messi. Even as Messi even go the right wing when they normally go the span, they still follow and go the right wing. All their work now to play pass and find Messi. Switzerland don't they in control of the game. They can't go equalize the game before Mbolo decided to dive waiting no good. Like I don't know whether a ghost touch him or be in fly before they can't get the red card. Before Argentina can't get back to the game. Still, as they get back to the game, you know me say they can't they push more attack. May they score before 90 minutes go. They still can't they play the pass. May they find Messi. If Switzerland go still collect ball again, attack them. But it's now more of Argentina.
Yeah.
So now when they can't enter extra time, now individual brilliance of Alvarez. Now only him. After that first goal where they score, that first time where they shoot from outside the box with that, unless everything they do now to walk and.
They go lose out.
They go lose. Switzerland will collect them, attack them with counter. But kudos to Switzerland, they really played well. Yeah. Upon they come to the match as an underdog, but they really show say they sabi play ball.
They won't win.
They won't win. Like if no be that red card.
Red card where
no be that red card. I promise you say
they can't be one of the
best player for the attack.
We can't get the red
I promise you say this will win Argentina because they don't hold them for neck. They don't press them well. But still, the bigger team with bigger mentality win. But if Argentina carry this kind football, meet England go trash us 5-0. I know they talk on the hammer, but
so we will watch out for Argentina England. We'll see how this one way since where Argentina don't they play Cape Verde. Play Egypt.
Play
Switzerland.
Just the underperform. If Messi no play, they don't go play.
So we'll watch out how it go be Argentina versus England. Still, whether England go first, they dominate.
England no shall play well for their own side though. But
when two big teams go, I don't
know whether Scaloni go fear beg change this formation when they play. You know they work at all. This formation when they play, when only one striker, then the rest na midfielder. I beg, you know they work. May just try change the formation, but may we just watch out as England and Argentina go be because now game of tactics and big players.
And big players.
So may we see. May we watch out for the England and Argentina in semi-final.